Okay, boys and girls, I'm back and this time with a tutorial for Ehub. What I did was I went to google.com or just your Google page, and in the search bar, I typed in Ehub Edgewater. And where that takes you is here. And it takes you to the very front page where it says log in to Edgewater Elementary by Permabound Books. Okay? And this is what we use for our library. It takes you to the sign in page. Your username and password should be on your username and password sheet. If not, let me know and I will get it for you. You're going to log in. And it takes you here to all of your different options. When you, on the ebooks right here, see this here? On ebooks, if you type in the search bar, you can type in, well, if I give you a title, or you can type in, say, for example, if our theme this week was flowers. You can type in the word flowers right there, and all these books come up, okay? Now, you have to choose your book, and when you choose your book, the book will, you can read it to yourself, or it will read to you. If you look over here, you have to get in the right grade level settings. Some of you are in the K3 settings, and some of you are in the 3-6 settings. You need to make sure that your book choice is in the correct level. So here we are. We are in the book here. It just doesn't matter which one. Just choose a book. And let's say From Flower to Honey, which is a really great one for a theme on pollination or, the life cycle of a flower. And you can read it. Click read. Click read over there. And it's going to come up and it'll look like this. Of course, it's loading. There we go. Come on. My internet is really slow today. So, okay, it's coming. Come on, book. Up, there you go. So here is the book. And it's got all sorts of different options. You can flip your page. See, here you go. See here, flipping your page. You've got little games that you can play with it, a little quiz you can take, some tools, glossary, and an index. It's a great little book. So, what I would like you to do is find this book From Flower to Honey, that's the name of the book, From Flower to Honey. I want you to go through the steps by putting it in the search bar, and I want you to do all of the different activities that you see and all of that, and then I want you to take an AR test on it. Sound good? I'll be looking for your AR test to see how good you did. All right. See you soon.